Greetings from the channel again. We're going to explore an interesting subject today, everyone. How older males can recognize when a younger women are waiting for you to approach them at a certain age. Gap relationships are more prevalent than ever before, but it can occasionally be difficult to read the signs, particularly if you're an older man and she's younger. If you're wondering if the younger woman is giving you clues and hoping you'll take the next step, watch this video as we break down 7 important signs that she's waiting for you to initiate contact. She consistently makes an effort to spend time with you, which is one of the most obvious signs that a younger woman is waiting for you to approach her. Now, this doesn't mean she's just showing up where you are by chance. No, we're talking about those little intentional actions. Does she invite you to hang out in informal settings like getting coffee or gathering to watch a movie, or perhaps she stays longer after group gatherings when you're around? Her actions indicate that she enjoys your company and hopes you will take the hint to spend more time with her alone. Guess what? That's a big yes. She's making time in her schedule for you, which is her subliminal way of saying, "I'm interested. What are you going to do about it?" Next, let's talk about personal exchanges. Younger women who are waiting for you to approach them begin asking more in-depth, intimate questions to learn more about you. Sure, anyone can strike up a conversation, but if she asks about your objectives, interests, or even a previous relationship, she's attempting to establish a deeper connection and is demonstrating interest in you. Beyond outward appearances, don't be scared to reciprocate by sharing more of yourself. That's exactly what she wants. Now, let's move on to one of the most effective ways women communicate: body language. A younger woman may occasionally be a little shy about speaking up first, but her body language will convey a lot. Keep an eye out for these subtle but telling signs. She leans in closer when speaking to you, smiles, and makes strong eye contact. She also frequently touches her hair or lightly brushes her hand against yours, all of which show that she is attracted to you and comfortable around you. If you notice these signs, it's likely that she is waiting for you to initiate conversation. But here's a hint. Be cautious to observe her body language in conjunction with her other actions. Even while a single indicator might not signify much, if they're mounting up, it's time to relocate. Who doesn't appreciate a good compliment? And guess what, gentlemen? If a younger woman compliments you, especially in ways that are out of the ordinary, it's a clear indication that she likes you. Pay attention to the kinds of compliments she gives. Is she remarking on how well you look in a suit? Or is she expressing her admiration for your self-assurance and intelligence? These aren't just casual remarks. They're meant to give you confidence boosts and to let you know she's interested in you. If the compliments are coming in, it's likely that she's waiting for you to move forward. And let's not forget about the modern-day battlefield for flirting: social media. If she regularly likes your posts, comments on your photos, or sends you memes in direct messages, she's staying involved in your life, even when you're not in person, because it provides her with a simple, low-pressure method to express interest and maintain contact. If a younger woman is actively following you online, it's likely that she's giving you hints in the hopes that you'll notice and respond. If you haven't already, this could be the ideal time to approach her DMs and bring that online connection into the real world. Here's a big one. If she's discussing plans for the future that involve you, even in a casual way, she's waiting for you to take action. For instance, she might say something like, "We should definitely check out that new restaurant next week," or "Have you ever thought about going to Italy? We should go someday." These might seem like casual remarks, but they're actually an invitation for you to act. She's imagining a future that includes you, and that's a major signal of interest. It's up to you to follow through and make those plans a reality. Let's last discuss physical contact. If she is making physical contact with you, whether it be by gently touching your arm, pushing you playfully, or simply standing closer than normal, she is probably attempting to establish a feeling of intimacy. It's crucial to assess a younger woman's comfort level and proceed at a comfortable pace. But if she's offering up these brief moments of touch, it's a clear indication that she's waiting for you to make the next move and that she hopes for more. Physical contact is frequently one of the biggest indicators that a younger woman is comfortable with you and hoping for more. There are 7 telltale signals that a younger woman is waiting for you to approach her. Gap relationships can be very rewarding, but it all comes down to spotting the signs and reacting confidently. For example, if she spends more time with you, compliments you, or interacts with you online, these are always signs that she is interested in you and is hoping you will initiate contact. So the next time you see these signs, don't be scared to initiate contact. She has probably been waiting for it. For more information on age gap relationships, dating advice, and much more, please hit the like button and subscribe if you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.